Hello guys, welcome to Nail of a Lost World channel. First of all, polish your nails and apply nail polish. Then do ... with black color. Make this on a leaf and apply pink color was the same process. Apply green color on your nails, by the way, which color you prefer most. Apply black color was the same process. It's easy actually, what you think? Make flower leaf with white color. Well, I loved it, isn't it easy? Okay, apply orange color again. Do ... with black and white color. And now be focused what I am doing. I like it if you too, then do subscribe. Okay, now I am gonna share the most easiest nail art that you can do it all in 5 minutes. ... Turn this dots on a heart shape. Now this nail art will take 2 or 3 minutes. I must sure what you think. This color is my favorite. What's your? Let me know in a comment below. Okay guys, just try, you can must do it. Don't give up. Bye bye.